you know, whatever you are doing, you means I'm talking about you. You all are students. You all are doing something regarding your career or regarding your future, regarding your life. Some are small, some of you are small, some are medium, and some are older. Means some of you are from schools, junior level, like from sixth class, fourth class. I think Aditya is from fourth class. Am I right, Aditya?
No, sir, wrong.
So then,
I am
oh,
fifth class.
oh, you are fifth class student. Very good. Sorry, very good. And Gaurav, I think he is of fourth class student.
हैं? Seventh.
Seventh.
हाँ
Who can say that he is the student of seventh class?
सर सर्टिफिकेट दिखा दूंगा प्रमोशन
सर्टिफिकेट दिखा देगा ये. So
प्रूफ है
the students of fifth class, seventh class, eighth class, ninth class, 10th class, college students are also
I
among you. So you all want to make your career nice. You all, some of you want to become doctor, engineer, player, lawyer, teacher, professor, businessman. That we can say that this it is our career. In which field you want to make your career. So there may be different fields that you want to go into. There may be different fields: engineering fields, medical fields, business field, commerce field, teaching profession, if you want to go in teaching profession. So today you will be given only 20. Okay. You will be given 1.5 minutes time. 1 minute and 30 seconds time. And in this time, you have to tell us that what are you doing or what you think to do to achieve your goal that you have made for your life. So I think you are ready, and yes, this is a very great thing that I have also started getting names like very good. Oh my god, there are so many names. Oh, Rohit, Gaurav, Harsh, Harshit, Sushil, Lakshmi, Yamini, Kabir, Vaishnavi, Khushi. I think all have given their names. Very good. So now it is your time to tell about your plan, and you have a limited time, only 1 minute and 1 minute and 30 seconds, and without any hesitation, without losing your confidence, you have to express your thoughts, and your thoughts are yours, and your future is yours, and you have to speak about you, about no one else. So I am starting the clock so that, yes, now first of all I am calling uh, oh, so many names. First of all I am calling Rohit.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rohit,
Hello.
come on. And I think Rohit has written his name before giving the topic.
Sir,
That
Harsh
is why
has
I am
written.
saying that you are becoming so much dangerous for me. I will have to think about you. Yes, Rohit, come on, start.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you about my dream. So, as you know, that we all have our dreams that we want to become in our life, and with what profession we want to we want to we want to stay with which occupation in our life. So this is a for a student who is in a 9th, 10th, 11th, 9th and 10th. It is a very stressful to think about his dream, that what he or she want to become, because in this age we don't know that what is good for us. But I with a lot of advice from my parent, from my father and relatives, I understood that what I want to become in my life. So I choose the engineering occupation as to follow with my life, because I find it's very interesting. Like in other other fields, engineering. I like the most, because in this field we do some creative things. We do some creative things with machines and some real life things. In engineering, there are most of the things which we do in our real life, and we got more deeper into the.
Once more, time is over. Come on, carry on.
Yes, sir. We go more deeper in the concepts of our real life. So from my mind, I think that engineering is a very good profession, and it also helps the country in its development. That's it.
Okay, time is over. Very good.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Audible?
Your voice is not audible. Please wear headphone.
Is it not coming? Tell me.
Sir, little.
Sir, very low voice coming from you.
I will have to use the headphone. Okay. इसको दिखाना पड़ेगा. So, okay, now it is the turn of Gaurav. Come on, Gaurav.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, I'm Gaurav and my today's topic is the career or the profession I will choose in my future. So I will choose business because we have free time and it's easy to do, and we have to we have to just think about the investments where we have to invest our things and what we have to sell, and and business also helps people getting new things, like if there is a new model of a mobile phone that will that will solve some problems, and we launch it, so we will get so much profit.
Hmm.
So, and but there are also loss in uh, business, that if we purchase a very expensive thing, but as you know that India is full of middle class people, and
Hmm.
if we have a product that is not affordable for a middle class family, so it will not be purchased by anyone. So that's only the game of the business. And when we think business is very easy, but it's not, because we have to think and work smart.
Time is over. 10 more seconds.
Yes, sir. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Okay, very good. Shabash. And now, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good
हाँ
evening,
बेटा.
everyone.
हाँ बेटा.
Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshit. Today my topic is what I want to become in my future. As we know that in 11th class, there are many other subjects, many other fields which we take as a career, and we have time to think about it in class 9th and 10th, and it is the most important classes of our life, because in these classes only we get to know that what are the different types of subjects and what we will choose. So I not I till now I am not uh, joined the class 9th or 10th, but I have decided what I will be doing in my future, and it is the I will take a PCM and become an NDA officer. In this job, we looks upon the security of the borders, and it is somewhat related to the job of army. There are three fields in it: navy, air force, and army. And in this this is very useful for the country because it provides support, and it is a backbone for all the citizens to so that they can spend their life comfortably. That's it.
Very good. Shabash. बहुत बढ़िया. 1 minute and 16 seconds. Shabash. Now Harshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Arshad More, and today's my topic is what I wanna be and what am I doing for that. So, as we all know very well that everyone has their own goals and they want to be something else. I want to be an engineer, and for that I will have to take PCM, and for that I'm preparing from now and from also from ninth class, because ninth and 10th class are very crucial for us to be anything else,
Shabash.
because ninth is the base of 10th class, because many concepts of 10th class are literally based on ninth class. And 10th class is one of the most important class, because in which we come to know that which subject we can take, and in which subject we have scored scored the highest marks. And I wanna be engineer so that I can help India to be a developed country, and I want to see Bharat being a developed country and at the top of all the countries and all the nations. So that's it, sir.
Very good यार. बहुत बढ़िया. Shabash. Sushil.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of Ramban on an interview classes of B16. And today I am here with a new topic that is what we want to become in our life. As we know that we all want to become something here. Like some wants to become engineer, someone to become doctor, and someone to become policeman, etc. And I want to become uh, an army officer, and it is my dream since my childhood.
Hmm.
Uh, although all occupations are important for our nation, but I think that army is the most important occupation for our nation, because without army we can't imagine our nation with peace and good environment, because army save us from our enemies. Like we can take an example of Pahalgam attack, and if there
You
were
have only
strong
15
army
seconds.
so there
Make it hurry, huh?
would not any attack. So at last I want to say that I want to become an Indian officer. So that's it.
Okay, very good. Lakshmi.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today our topic is about our career and
क्या हुआ?
sir, can I speak?
Later. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yamini.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashvi Sahu. I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today, I am going to tell you about what I want to be and for it what I am doing. So, in my 11th class, I took PCM, and it was my purpose that joined any kind of defense army, but because of some physical issue, I will not able in joining any kind of army and defense system, uh, because due to my eyesight. So I decided that after 12th class I complete my graduation by any course and be a good teacher of any subject for student, and provide them good education, not like other teachers. So for this I am I am commanding on some subjects. I am trying to understand and learn about subjects, and I observed I observed sincerely that how the teachers teaches us, and what method they use, what tricks they tells us. Doesn't matter that how much marks I get in my examinations, but I
Time is
observe
over. 10 more seconds. Hurry up.
very sincerely, and in future I will become a good teacher and provide the students good education. Thank you, sir. That's it.
Okay. ठीक है बेटा. Very good. Now, Kabir.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir. I'm the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes from HBT. Today's my topic is what I want to become in my future. So, I want to become an engineer in my future. There are many types of engineer like civil engineer, computer engineer, etc. But I want to become a, a computer engineer. For it, I will take math science to become an engineer. In college, I will take CS.
Hmm.
In future, okay. In college, I will take CS for become computer engineer.
To become.
As we all know that to become an engineer. So this is my main purpose, and my mom also want that I will become an engineer in my life. She has a dream that he will see me. She will see me a good officer of in engineering in future. And I also want to become an engineer and take a good package in it. Yes, sir, that's it.
Very good. शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया. लक्ष्मी आ रही है क्या? नहीं. Okay, कोई बात नहीं. वैष्णवी आ जा.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. And today we have a speaking session, and our new topic is about our career. My career is I want to become a professor in English because it is my favorite subject, and I have command on this subject, and it is a very interesting subject, and to become a professor uh, we we should do a PhD and NET, and
What are
and
you
my
doing?
father
What
also,
are you doing right now? Tell about it. अभी क्या कर रहे हो तुम?
sir,
अभी क्या चल रहा है? अभी कौन सी क्लास में हो? क्या कर रहे हो? बुक्स पढ़ते हो? क्या है? उस तरीके से बताओ थोड़ा सा चीजों.
sir I'm in 12th class, so I have English literature subject, and I have command on this subject, and
I have command. Yeah, why I want to have command on this subject.
I want to have command on this subject, and my father is dream that I want to become a professor in English.
My father has a dream.
My father has a dream to become a professor in English.
To make me a professor
To
of
make
English.
me. To make me a professor in English.
Okay, time is over. बहुत अच्छा.
Yes.
सोचना बेटा, सोचने की कैपेसिटी बढ़ाओ बेटा अपनी थोड़ी सी. न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हो? Do you read newspaper? English newspaper? Do you read other English books? Do you listen to?
सर कभी
नोट इनको रेगुलर आदत बनाओ अपनी, है ना. Listen to news daily, read English newspaper, other magazines of English, so that you can be proficient in this language. Because your dream is to become a professor of English. Okay बेटा? शाबाश. बेटा बहुत अच्छा है बेटा. Yes, now लक्ष्मी आ रही है क्या?
Yes, sir.
आ जा बेटा।
My name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today our topic is about our career and profession. A career is the overall journey of a person's working life, and a person must have about no sir. Everyone have own dreams
हैज
and
हैव क्यों आएगा? हैज आएगा. एवरीवन हैज.
yes sir.
हैज हिज
Everyone
ऑन ड्रीम.
has own dreams and they want to fulfill their dreams to to reading books
बाय रीडिंग बुक्स.
by reading books
फोकस करो थोड़ा.
and
फोकस लूज हो रहा है तुम्हारा. हाँ.
and I want to become SI, so I shall develop my skills and knowledge and dreams are very important for a person. Some student choose their career, their dreams in childhood age, and I decided my dream in 9th class, and I chose arts in 11th class.
I chose. Choosed नहीं. Second form chose. हाँ.
I chose arts in 11th class.
टाइम इज ओवर. जल्दी कर ले. 5 सेकंड और दे रहा हूँ.
Yes.
हो गया. चलो कोई बात नहीं. तुम्हारे कनेक्टिविटी भी गड़बड़ हो गई. यस नाउ. खुशी. अच्छा खुशी भी यही है. खुशी भी कैसे आएगी? कनेक्टिविटी नहीं आ रही है इसकी. चलो कोमल तुम आ जाओ. जब तक खुशी को बाद में बुलाऊंगा मैं. कोमल.
Yes, sir.
आ जा बेटा.
Hello everyone. My name is Komal Bhairava and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 11. And today my topic is what I want to be. And we all know that we have many dreams and goals, and we want to fulfill that dreams and goals in our life. And we have to do much hard work in our life. And I want to become a teacher, English teacher, and we all know that importance of a teacher, and all people have many dreams, and that and hard work and practice is the important key, and that with the help of that key we can achieve our goals. And for become an English teacher, I do many class. I take many English classes, and I do a course as a BA B.Ed, and I after that course I prepare for a government exam, and I want to become a government teacher and as an English teacher, and it is my dream. And I have my English subject is my also favorite as
Time is over. 10 more
teenager.
seconds. बोलो फटाफट. 10 more seconds. जल्दी करो.
Yes, sir. And teaching line is very liking by me, and that's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा. बहुत अच्छा बोलने लग गई तू है. प्रिया जानती है ना इसको? है बेटा?
Yes, sir.
बहुत मेहनत करी है इसने यार. बहुत मेहनत करी है इसने. कोई बात नहीं बेटा. काम आएगी जिंदगी में, है ना? आ गई क्या खुशी? आ जा बेटा.
Yes, sir.
बोल बेटा. बोल बेटा. घड़ी चालू हो गई है. बोल. अभी नहीं बोलना.
Yes, sir. नहीं बोलना है सर.
बोल.
Hello everyone, my name is Kushi Gujar. My topic is about career. I had no goals of becoming anything till 12th, and I don't know when college started and when it ended. Ended.
आराम से आराम से आराम से, टेंस को फोकस करो, घबराओ मत।
Because I went to college sometime
हम्म
and I spent very little time
हम्म
in college.
हम्म
So, but now, but these days I have a goal. I want to become government employee
हम्म
and I am doing preparation in present time and I always want to keep learning in my life
हम्म
and I want to
टाइम इज ओवर, 10 more seconds. हाँ
I want to hard work always in my life
हम्म
and that's it, sir.
कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है बेटा, फोकस बहुत अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं, है ना। तुमने ज्यादा टाइम तो ये बताने में लगा दिया कि पहले तुम्हारा गोल नहीं था ये, उसमें उसको नहीं, तुमको तो बता दो कि मेरा ये गोल है और मुझे ये करना है, ठीक है ना। जब कम टाइम होता है तो फिर उसमें मेन चीज पे आ जाओ बस, है ना बेटा। ओके कोई बात नहीं है,
टॉपिक का पता नहीं था
हाँ
actually
कोई बात नहीं,
starting.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, ऐसे ही अचानक ही मिलते हैं बेटा, यहाँ पे क्या करें हम, मूवी वगैरह एकदम से हमला कर दिया, ऐसे ही करते हैं बेटा, है ना बेटा। ऐसे ही कर, क्या करें बेटा, करना ही पड़ता है यार बेटा, दुनिया ऐसी है बेटा, ये दुनिया बहुत निष्ठुर है ना। हाँ बेटा, यस कम ऑन। कोमल का हो गया, प्रिया।
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Priya Meena. Today's our topic is about career. So, I am Priya Meena. I'm pursuing diploma in modern office management and it in GWPC College, means Government Women Polytechnic College. I am in second year and I am also doing bachelor's in by non college and so it means I'm doing diploma and degree together. My goal is to become a successful stenographer with the help of this diploma, and I want to make command in my typing and stenography both, and this can be happened only because of hard work. That's it, sir.
ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ नहीं, ओनली विद हार्ड वर्क। ओके बेटा, 1 मिनट भी नहीं लगाया तूने तो, ज्यादा जल्दी नहीं बोल दिया, इतनी जल्दी भी नहीं बोलना है ना। ओके कोई बात नहीं है, मतलब टाइम का ही तो मैनेजमेंट करना है अब आपको, और करना है क्या है अभी यहाँ पर इन सेशंस में, करना है क्या है आपको, टाइम क्यों दे रहे हैं हम आपको, टाइम में मैनेजमेंट करना है आपको। अगले को ये भी नहीं लगेगा बहुत जल्दी भाग लिया है तो, अगले को ये भी नहीं लगे कि यार 5 मिनट हो गए तो पूरा ही नहीं हो रहा है इसका, समझ गए ना, थोड़ा सा बैलेंस बना करके करना है आपको काम। यस रक्षित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am telling on the topic that what I want to become in future. So, and or what is my goal? So we know that there are different types of dreams of everyone, and there are different occupations in this world. And one of the occupation is engineering. And to be an engineer from the 11th class, you have to take PCM subject and have to prepare for to be an engineer, and for this and also for every career the academic classes from 9 to 12th are very crucial and important, because because after 10th class you have to take subject for the career what you want to become, and from after 12th class you have to focus on your career. And so I want to be an engineer, and so I am in 10th class, but and in future, like in 11th class, I will take PCM subject and will prepare to be an engineer, sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड यार, ओनली 1 मिनट 10 सेकेंड्स, थोड़ा सा और ले सकते थे, 10-15-20 सेकंड आप, कोई बात नहीं, घड़ी लेके बैठना अगली
Yes,
बार
sir.
से। मैनेज करो आप टाइम को थोड़ा सा, बहुत जल्दी भी नहीं और बहुत लेट भी नहीं, एक आध मिनट इधर उधर रखो बस, ज्यादा नहीं। ओके, यस। आदित्य,
Yes, sir.
हाँ जी, आ जाओ।
Hello, yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Aditya Dhanavat. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes, and today's our topic is what you become in your future. As you know that our dream we become any helping person in our life, because this is our goal, and my goal is I become a judge,
I want to
because
become,
I want to become a judge. And what is the reason of I want to become a judge? The reason is I help that persons
I
who
wi-
cannot.
I want to help,
I wa- I want to help those persons which
which नहीं who,
sorry, yes, who don't earn money, and don't don't wear uh, don't wear clothes, and they
don't wear clothes,
सब
don't have clothes,
ये don't have clothes, और सब भीख मांगने को क्या कहते हैं?
beg,
and and वो beg on the road, and and uh, and this and my duty is take cases,
time is over, more 10 seconds.
and my work is I take cases and take correct.
टाइम इज ओवर बेटा, आपको ये बताना था कि आप इसके लिए क्या कर रहे हो, जज बनने के लिए क्या करोगे आप, ये तो बताया नहीं कुछ आपने। आपको ये बताना चाहिए था ना बेटा कि मैं जज बनना है मुझे, तो मुझे इसके लिए ये करूंगा, मैं ये करूंगा, मैं ये ऐसे ऐसे कर रहा हूं, मैं चीजों को कुछ नहीं बताया तुमने। थोड़ा फोकस करो, बोला तो ठीक है आपने, लेकिन टॉपिक पे रहो, थोड़ा पकड़ के टॉपिक को, है ना। हाँ, नेक्स्ट टाइम ध्यान रखो आप। काजल, बोल बेटा, आवाज बेटा, माइक बेटा, माइक।
Yes, sir.
तबीयत ठीक है बेटा तेरी?
Yes, sir.
ओके, बोल बेटा।
Hello everyone, my name is Kajal Meena. Today my topic is about my goals. Everyone has his or her goals, and
बेटा तेरी कनेक्टिविटी सही नहीं है।
सर एक मिनट,
चलो इसको ठीक करके आ तू। हाँ बोल बोल, ठीक हो गया बोल, या तो इसको ठीक करके आ। हाँ हो गया ठीक, बोल बेटा, बोल।
yes sir. Hello everyone, my name is Kajal Meena. Today my topic is about my goals. Everyone has his or her dreams, and I have my dream. I want to become an officer, and for this, now I am completed. I have completed.
I have completed.
I have completed my graduation, and with the PCM subject, and now I am preparing for UPSC, and I am starting with NCRT, because it is a base of UPSC.
नाइस स्पीकिंग, शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छे। हाँ बोल, आगे बोलो, सुन लो, सारे के सारे सुना करो क्या बताना होता है। हाँ
I know that it is a very toughest exam of India, but I know if I am do much hard work,
I can do
much hard work, and one day I will complete my goal and my dream. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड। 1 minute 20 seconds, ठीक है, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छे से किया तुमने इसको एक्सप्रेस, वेरी गुड बेटा। सुना करो एक दूसरे को, सब है ना, बहुत जरूरी होता है सुनना, सुनने से थोड़ा आइडिया मिलता है कि हाँ यार हमें क्या बोलना चाहिए था, हम क्या बोल। एग्जाम में भी हम यही करते हैं, अपनी तरफ से तो हम बहुत कुछ लिख के आ जाते हैं, नंबर नहीं मिलते। जो लिखना चाहिए वो लिखते नहीं हो और पता नहीं क्या क्या लिख के आ जाते हैं अपन। कमान, कोई बात नहीं है। मेरे ख्याल से इसके बाद तो मधु है। यस मधु, आजा।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Madhu Kumari Meena. Today my topic is our career. Uh, I am a student and I have completed graduation degree like BA plus B.Ed, and I want to become in future I want to become an English teacher, and in present time I am preparing for this job, and so I I wake up early in the morning, and uh, I do household works, and I go to library to do self study, and in library I study, and then I uh, return to home uh, at 6 p.m.
इतना डीपली मत जाओ, इतना डीपली मत जाओ, पूरा रूटीन मत बताओ। क्या क्या कर रहे हो? कोचिंग कर रहे हो, प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, बुक्स पढ़ रहे हो, वीडियोस देख रहे हो, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? ये आपको बताना है। पूरा डेली रूटीन नहीं बताना, टाइम इसी में निकल जाएगा। जल्दी करो। हाँ।
Okay, sir. I try to learn. Um, I I try to learn mm, English for English.
10 more
I
seconds, बोलो फटाफट। हाँ।
and this is my dream, and I do hard work for this job.
ओके, पूरा रूटीन थोड़ी बताना होता है बेटा। आप तो मेन मतलब ये करना हूँ मैं, मुझे ऐसा, मैं किताबें पढ़ती हूँ, मैं इस तरह की किताबें पढ़ती हूँ, मैं ऐसे वो रिकॉर्डिंग्स देखती हूँ, मैं इस तरीके से मैंने अपना टारगेट बना रखा है, मैं एग्जाम देती हूँ, मैं ऐसे लाइक दैट। कोई बात नहीं है, ठीक है। आ जाओ नेक्स्ट, अंजू।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anjali, and today my topic is about my career. And now I am studying in Rajasthan University,
स्टडिंग।
and studying in Rajasthan University, and I am a student of MBA for semester, and MBA full form is Masters of Visual Art, and today is my last day, and my goal is becoming a drawing teacher,
शाबाश।
and I'm preparing for drawing teacher, and drawing is my passion, and I am also an artist, and I make and painting. It is my hobby. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड। बहुत कम तुमने तो 48 सेकंड में खत्म कर दिया। गजब कर दिया तुमने तो, आधा टाइम बचा दिया। इतनी कंजूसी है बेटा। यस मुस्कान, नाम तो नहीं लिखा तूने, पर हम भी छोड़ेंगे नहीं तेरे को। बोल आजा, आजा आजा मुस्कान। पार हो गई दिखती है।
सर यस सर।
आजा, बोल
सर
बेटा।
आ गई।
हाँ बोल, आप बोल बोल।
यस सर। गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन एंड good evening everyone, and I am Muskan, and today my topic is my goal. I want to become a doctor, and and doctor is third goal for human, and doctor save life for human,
शाबाश
and
शाबाश।
and for this we clear NEET exam.
वी मस्ट क्लियर। हाँ।
Yes, and it is a very hard job, and it want the doctor saves life for human
ऑफ ह्यूमन।
of human, and I take math science in 10th class.
I have taken math science.
And I prepare for, and in 10th class I prepare NEET exam.
आई विल प्रिपेयर फ्यूचर में बोल रही है ना ये?
I will prepare
हाँ
NEET exam
हम्म
and mm, um,
टाइम इज ओवर 10 more seconds.
and I do hard work for it. That's it, sir.
ओके वेरी गुड ठीक है चलिए सबका हो गया कोई रहा तो नहीं है चलिए थैंक यू वेरी मच ये आपकी रिकॉर्डिंग